So another win for my model this morning in London session, or just after. I missed this one because I was recording videos, but I'm going to show you and I'm going to walk you through my strategy and why this was a winner. And these are my rules. It's really very simple. All I ever do is wait for a sweep of sell side and then I target buy side. I do this every single time. I basically only take longs because I'm kind of a perma bull, to be honest. And since we're at all-time highs, I'm always looking for longs because the draw is always going to be more all-time highs until we drop like 1,000 points away at the very least. But I'm always looking for longs. And I thought this trade made sense. I'm going to walk you through it. So we sweep sell side. These are my rules. So if I'm going to enter a trade, this is what I look for. I mark out all these obvious 5-minute lows like this, and I wait for them to get hit. This one gets hit. If I was actually on to take this trade and not recording videos, this is what I would have done. So I wait for the sweep. I look for a reaction. We get a really great 5-minute 3-can. This is a fantastic looking trade. These are my rules. Sweep sell side. I'm targeting buy side, which would be up here. I'm looking for a bullish reaction from this low. Look how good this is. We sweep it. Massive bullish reaction. We've got really great momentum. Look at the size of this candle. We invert the fair value gap that we create there with the 5-minute. 3-candle pattern V-shape. Everything that I require to take a trade has been given in this trade here, as you can see. 3-candle pattern V-shape after the inverse. Great momentum. Really, really nice trade. Going into the macro as well. So I enter a long position once we close here. On this close, once we close back above, I target a 1-for-1. My stop loss is a manual stop. I have it about halfway between the low and the gap like this. So if we come back down and close below, I'll close for a loss. I risk $200 per trade on 30 accounts copy traded. And then basically all I do is I target 1-for-1. I scale half at 1R and go break even, and then I leave the rest as runners. And as you can see here, this hit 1R, and sadly it did come back down and break even me on the rest. So I made about $100 on all my accounts if I would have taken this trade, but sadly I wasn't around to take this one. But as you can see, my model has been undefeated recently. Very, very nice trade, this one. And honestly, recently price action has not been great in terms of trades in general, but there have been a few 5-minute longs that would have worked. This was yesterday, as you can see. Yesterday's price action was not great in terms of the actual price movements. Let's just bring this over here. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to pop it up over here so you can see. But there was another 5-minute trade back here somewhere, which I signaled. I think it was this one. May have been this one, which was a scale half break even. Price action has not been great recently, guys, in general. I'm pretty sure there was a trade back here. I just can't remember what it was. It was this one here. This was the one. So what am I always looking for? We create an obvious swing low here, which is this 930 wick, which is even better. We actually sweep that. We've got a long position here. For some reason my tools are messing up today. I think there might be a bug with TradingView that needs to be fixed. We've got another trade here. What have we got? We've got a sweep of sell side. I'm targeting buy side as we're at all-time highs. We've got the sweep, the bullish reaction. We've got a good momentum here. This wasn't a 3-candle pattern. It was a 4-candle pattern. As you can see, my stop loss would have been about halfway between the low and the gap. And on this one, I actually got scale halved and break even because I've been keeping my stop a little bit tighter than halfway between the low and the gap recently, just because price action has been a bit crap and a bit choppy. And basically I got scaled half again and break evened on this because we about hit 1R here, and I scaled half there and went break even. Instantly got break evened on it. This was the last trade that I alerted, by the way. If you want to get alerts for all my trades, you can get them in the description below. Got about an 80% win rate and 100k of payouts over the past year. And then I was looking for a trade all damn day and we never really got one. I didn't take this one because I figured we were just too bearish and I wanted to see more structure. And then you can see there was another 5-minute long here. Both of these failed. I think this first one, if you'd have taken this first one, this would have been a break even. You could see it probably in reality didn't close. I mean, it might have closed there and you probably would have got 1R and break even on this one. Let's take a look. This first trade here would have been 1R and break even, actually, as you can see. It depends if this is closed or not. There was no trades down here. I really wanted to take a trade in this area. And then I checked the next day on the 15-minute. And then if you look at the 15-minute here, there was an absolute banger. Look at this. 3-candle pattern V-shape. I don't know what's going on with the TradingView today. You can see here we come down. We're really, really low in discount. 15-minute inverse back to the upside. Absolutely, you know, we've come down, we've swept loads of liquidity here. We're really low in discount. Obviously, at all-time highs, you're always trying to target back to all-time highs. This was the major low that got swept. But on the 15-minute here, take a look at this. We've basically got... My rules are here. Sweeper sell side, targeting buy side. We've got a really bullish reaction to this low getting swept here. Really good momentum. Look at this candle. This is like, what is this? A 100-point candle? Massive, massive candle. Really good momentum. Huge. 100-point candle. That's definitely the kind of thing you want to be looking at. 15-minute inverse, and you can see this would have been a, yeah. Excuse me. I'm sneezing because I'm allergic to the fact that I didn't take this. It's really, really annoying. But you can see, you could have taken this. It would have gone for about a 5R off the lows there. Really, really good trade. Incredible, really. Absolutely incredible. This was a really good trade the other day. Price action at all-time highs is obviously a bit more, in general, just a bit more poor. But these are the trades that I took over the past few days. My model is undefeated at the minute. It's been having a really great time of things. The 5-minute really filters out a lot of the bad trades from what I've seen. And I'm going to leave it there, guys. If you want more information, go join my free Discord down below. There's a giveaway today or tomorrow because we're almost at 200 members. Every time we reach a milestone, I'll do another giveaway, so go and join that down below. And if you want to get alerts and signals for my trades, I alert all my trades in my premium Discord. Get them in the description below. Like and subscribe and do the YouTube stuff. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.